Distinguished colleagues, a bill for an act to amend the Federal Orthopedic Hospitals Act and for other related matters 2024. Second reading taken. The bill is hereby referred to the Committee on Health, Secondary and Tertiary to report back to the Senate in 6 weeks. Leader of the Senate.
Mr. President, the third of the day, the second reading of Federal Colleges of Education Act, Amendment Bill 2024, SB 169. Distinguished senators will recall that the bill was read for the first time in this chamber on Thursday, 12 October 2023. Mr. President, I wish to invite Senator Jiman Ibrahim to move the motion for the bill to be read second time.
Senator Professor Jimo Ibrahim.
Mr. Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, my very distinguished colleagues, I rise to lead debate in respect of the establishment of Federal College of Education Act Amendment Bill 2024 SB 169. As said by the leader, the distinguished colleague will recall that this bill was first read in the Hall of Chambers on Thursday, 12th October 2023. Mr. Senate President and my distinguished colleagues, this is another opportunity to lend your voice to the exigencies of the importance of education for the young people, and particularly for the people of Bekebo. The existence of a sound and robust educational system in any country is predicted and available for qualified and well-trained teachers to impart or require knowledge on the students. This bill seeks to establish College of Education, which will train the teachers, and this is a further edifier for development of education in Nigeria. Undoubtedly, the realization of College of Education are tools for national development have led to the unbearable quest for the vigorous expansion of College of Education in Nigeria. We are short of teachers, and there is need to have specialized schools that train teachers and the people of Ibekobo in Ondo South Central District need this even yesterday. The objective of the college outlined in the bill, among other things, to encourage advancement of learning for all persons without distractions of race and sex or political conviction. And when established, to develop and offer academic and professional programs leading to the award of certificates, first degree, postgraduate research program, diploma and higher educational emphasis on planning, development. And this is very, very important to our educational system. When established, to produce socially matured educational men and women capabilities, not only to understand educational need of Nigeria as a nation, but also to exploit existing educational infrastructure and improve to develop new one. The College of Education is going to be very innovative in time of development and create an opportunity for educational growth in Nigeria. When established, Mr. President, the College of Education in Bekabo is to act as agent and catalyst for effective educational system through postgraduate training, research, and other innovative educational system, and to identify educational needs of society with a view of finding solutions to them within the context of overall national development. Since education innovation is about development, they are actually set up to solve problems of the society. Mr. President of the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, my distinguished colleague, my highly respected colleagues, the enactment of this bill will not only help in transforming the decaying educational infrastructure in our dear country. It is my prayer that and call to consider the plight of the people, especially Bekobo is in the riverine area of SLD local government. They have no single higher education, and they produce 5% of national oil. In line with the order 76.3, Mr. Senate President of the Senate Standing Order 2023 as amended, a compendium for the financial implication of the establishment of the College of Education in Bekobo is hereby attached. Therefore, I urge my very learned and very distinguished colleagues to lend your voice to support this all-important motion to the people of Bekobo in the rural area who gave Nigeria 5% of oil without any form of higher education. I urge you, Mr. Senate President, and my very distinguished colleagues, to support this all fundamental and important innovative education bill that is being led by me in the lead debate today before the plenary. Thank you, and I appreciate your time.
Chairman, Judiciary.
Thank you, Mr. President. My distinguished colleagues, Adeni Adegbomire, Ondo Central. I stand before you this afternoon to second a motion ably moved by Senator Jimo Ibrahim. I would like to say that this bill should be passed respectfully for two very simple reasons. One is that what it seeks to achieve by this bill is to take education to more people, give more people the opportunity to be educated, to be properly educated. There's no gainsaying in saying that we all know that the population, particularly the young population in Nigeria, is increasing by the day. And there is the need for the government to provide avenues for people being properly educated. I therefore have no hesitation in seconding this motion. Thank you very much.
Senator Antoniani.
Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, I am Senator Professor Antoniani for the South. I rise to lend my voice to all this important bill on Federal College of Education Act Amendment Bill, as moved and seconded by my colleagues. The importance of colleges of education in Nigeria cannot be overemphasized. We should know that this is an institution that produces NCE graduates who are meant to take care of primary and nursery schools. Because according to Nigerian system of education, NCE graduates to be the least qualified persons to teach in primary and nursery schools. And you can agree with me that there is a preponderance of nursery, primary schools, particularly at private level. So passing this bill on the establishment of this Federal College of Education will be adding value to taking care of the production of more teachers for the emerging nursery primary schools. I wish this is replicated in many parts of the country, because what is currently in vogue is that colleges of education are being de-emphasized. University education is taking over. But if we should look back and look inwards, to note that colleges of education are meant to take care of these primary and nursery schools, government should give emphasis and give attention to this stage of educational attainment. So in all, the objectives of this bill, to me, are very well captured, and they are straight to the point. And therefore, without mincing words, strongly support that this bill should be supported by everybody in this chamber. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, I so submit.
Distinguished colleagues, I want to thank all of you for your submissions. And now to put the question, those in support that this bill be now read a second time, say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Clerk of the Senate.
Mr. President, distinguished senators, I bid for an act to amend the Federal Colleges of Education Act to provide for the establishment of the Federal College of Education, Igbe-Kobo, Ondo State, and for other related matters, 2024, second reading.